I support Ethan for a million different reasons, both political and personal. But for me, oftentimes, the political is personal. Aside from, his stance on Iraq and his work on the environment, his work that of supporting the little people, the people who oftentimes are marginalized and don't have a voice. For me, very personally, it's Ethan's sort of undying support of all things that have to do with civil rights. I mean, as someone who not only lives within the gay community but works for the gay community, Ethan has just been an amazing ally since the very first day I met him. And the fact that he believes that we all deserve to be at the same place every morning, the same starting line, no matter who we are, no matter what our color, religion, sexual orientation, any of those things. Ethan just has always stood up for civil rights for all people. So that's why I personally love the man and will work as hard as I can to get him to Washington. So.